Hi, I'm Adam, and this is how to use Manhattan Project in your school or homeschool setting. Manhattan Project is a game in which you are taking on the role of a country's nuclear weapons program. It's a really interesting game where you are assigning scientists and engineers and common workers to try to dominate the nuclear arms race that's happening all around you with the other players playing. This is a game for ages 13 and up. It's for 2 to 5 players, and it plays in about 2 hours if you have the full player count. As the students play, they will be learning how to collect and manage resources, as well as efficiently placing their workers to accomplish different tasks. They will also be simulating the process of mining the resources they need, transforming those resources into something usable, and then implementing them into a factory or a laboratory so that they can actually make a bomb. They want to make the best and biggest nuclear bombs that they can so they can win the nuclear arms race. You can discuss with the students the drastic changes in our culture today that things like this have made. You could walk through all different advancements that were caused by war, but you could specifically with this one talk about what were the advancements made after nuclear technology was really started to be harnessed and used for something. In this case, used for weapons, but you could discuss about the things that it was used after the fact, as far as medical or different energy resources. You can also discuss the impact that this made on future wars. How nowadays when we discuss wars and when they start escalating to a certain point, that everyone starts discussing about a nuclear war and how that's really changed the face of how people do war these days. What are your favorite resources for studying nuclear developments or war or warfare or war advancements? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.